So this is going to be a instruction on how to install a Roblox on Linux. So the specific distribution of Linux I'm using currently is Arch Linux. You can use this on Ubuntu or Pop OS or any other distribution as well. So let's begin. So you're gonna have to first go to this website right here called flatpak.org/setup right here. I will be putting this link on the description as well. Now, since I'm on Arch Linux, I'm gonna select this right here. And so I'm gonna have to install a Flatpak on Arch. But if you are using, let's say, a Pop OS, so Pop OS already has Flatpak built into it, so you don't need to do these steps for Pop OS. But let's say you are using Ubuntu, you're gonna have to follow this instruction to install the Flatpak for Ubuntu. So since I'm using Arch Linux, I have already installed Flatpak using this command here. So I'm just gonna have to copy this command and paste it on my terminal right here and hit enter. And I'm going to supply my password here. And since I already installed the Flatpak, it's asking me to reinstall. So I'm not going to do that here. Okay. So once the Flatpak is installed, you're going to have to restart your computer. So go ahead and restart. And after the restart, what you are going to do is you're going to have to visit this website, sober.vinegarhq.org here. I will be again putting this on the description as well. So once you are here, there is a link here that you can copy and paste it into the terminal to install the Roblox app. So simply copy this right here. Okay, copy this, and I'm going to clear this and paste it on the terminal. Now I am using Arch Linux with KDE, so you might be using GNOME or XFCE or whatever, which it comes with its respective terminal. So you can utilize that on those distributions. Now let's go ahead and hit enter. Okay, and I'm gonna press Y for yes and hit enter. And you might have to enter Y for several lines. You can go ahead and do that. Since I have already installed Sober before, I do have other dependencies already installed, so I'm only going to have to use that Y yes for the first line here. So, and once that's done, Sober should be installed. So let's go ahead and search for a Sober app here. Okay, let's see. Yep, right here. So I'm going to put this on favorite. Okay, let's open the app. And yep, as you can see, since I'm already signed in, it's working flawlessly. Yep, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be posting new videos on other instruction as well for anything related to Linux. Thank you.